Hello everyone, and today we will solve this question. The question is very simple. It is given that make a DFA for the regular language where number of A's is divisible by 2 and number of B's is divisible by 3. And here the alphabets that are given are A and B. So there are no other alphabets, only A and B. So let's start. Guys, this is very simple. Let's start with this first state, that is the initial state. Let's make a circle, and here number of A is 0, B is 0. So when A is 0, it is divisible by 2, and when B is 0, that is divisible by 3. So this will become a final state also. It is both initial and final state. Okay. Then we will increment B. That means when B will come, we will move to the next step where A is 0 and B is 1. A is 0, B is 1. Okay. Now number of A's is divisible by 2, but number of B's, that is 1, is not divisible by 3. So this will not be a final state. In this state there will be no acceptance, only rejection. Now we will add another B and we will move forward. So again number of A's is 0, B's is 2. So number of B's is not divisible by 3, but number of A's is divisible by 2. But here it is given AND. So this state will also not be accepted. So now when B comes, we will send it to the initial state. We will make a loop so that number of B's become 3. Okay. Now when it goes to the initial state, then number of B's is 3 and A's is 0. So number of A's is divisible by 2 and number of B's is divisible by 3. Okay, but in a DFA we have to make sure that every state gives an output, I mean a transition for every symbol. So let's go back to the initial state and resolve it for A. So when A comes, we will increment A, A will become 1, B will be 0. In this case, I mean when suppose we started from the beginning, A is 0, B is 0, then we give it 1 A, so A will become 1 and B will become 0. Now B is divisible by 3 because B is 0 and A is 1, so it is not divisible by 2. Now in order to make it divisible by 2, we will just make a loop here when A comes. Okay. Now you can see that number of A's is 2, B's is 0. So it is accepted. Now in this state A1, B0, when B comes, we will go ahead. Now we will see what happens. A is 1, B is 1. Okay. This is a not accepting state. It is a rejection state. And again if B comes, we will go forward and we will see what happens. A is 1, B is 2. Now guys, we have to fill the rest of the transitions when A will come. So when A will come in this state, we will send it here to increment it, and if A comes here, we will send it up. Okay. I will explain you the logic. Let me complete the TFA. And similarly, in this state, A will go up and here A will come down. Okay. Now see, when A1 B0, then A1 B1, then A1 B2, here number of A is not divisible by 2 and number of B is not divisible by 3. So we will make a loop when B comes. So now when we come back to this state, we see A is 1 and B is 3. Now when A goes here, then only it is accepted. These other all 5 states are rejection state. Now I will explain you why I gave these ones in between. See guys, we start from this state. There is always only one initial state in a DFA. So when we increment 1B, it is A0 B1. Okay. And then if we come down when A comes, so it will be A1 B1. Then if another B comes, only then we can move forward, or it will come back up. That means one cycle of A is completed here. So let's see how this works. When there is one A, it comes here, it is not accepted. When A is 2, it comes back to the final state, so it is accepted. Similarly, if there is one B not accepted, 2 B's not accepted, third B it is accepted, and 0 is okay. Now let's see another path. First we'll go 1B, so it will be A naught B1. Then if we take another A, then it will be A1 B1. Now if we take another A, then there will be two A's and one B's, but we have to select the state where number of A's is divisible by 2 and B's is divisible by 3. So 2 A's 1 B's, if we come here 2 A's 2 B's, and then if we come here then 2 A's 3 B's, which will be accepted. Okay, so this is very simple guys. You try out other paths. If you go anywhere, you will end up back here and your condition will be satisfied. So there will be only one final state and 5 non-final state. So thank you guys. If you understood the video, then please comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.